Are your database-driven software applications failing because of the Libsqlite3.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Quickly resolve Libsqlite3 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This DLL file is the runtime for the SQLite Database Engine. It provides applications with a lightweight, disk-based relational database that doesn't require a separate server, used for local data storage on PC. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of your database-driven software to replace the Libsqlite3 and refresh the program's runtime files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Libsqlite3 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of the Libsqlite3.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to the Libsqlite3. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved the Libsqlite3 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.